Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Sophie and today I'm just going to do a really relaxed video. I'm just getting ready for the day. I thought I'd film it because I love watching these types of videos when I get ready. So, yeah. I'm going to use the Norvina palette from Anastasia. It's the newest palette. The first time I saw it, I was like, no thank you, I don't want that, that's ugly. And then I watched every YouTuber ever use it, and every time they use it, it goes on so nicely and it blends so easily and it just always looks good. And then I was like, I'm gonna get that. I can't control myself, okay? I have a problem. That's why I'm doing this. So I can do something about my problem. We're gonna go in with this big brush. This is the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And I'm gonna go into Love. I'm gonna take this smaller brush. No, we're going in with this one. I'll just put it up on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce it and I feel stupid. Going to back into Love and just blending it all together. Honestly, this might be the day that I do a cut crease because it's like the perfect shape for a cut crease. I'm just terrible at them and I'm scared. I need a pep talk. Somebody give me a pep talk. Okay, we'll try cut crease. We will try. It's gonna end terribly, but I'll give it my best shot. So, my best guess is that I need to take a brush like this that's very flat and very harsh edged. Put some concealer on the back of my hand. And then we'll dip in and we'll try and do this. We will get this crease cut. I may have just messed it up. Send your prayers. Oh no, this is going terribly wrong. This is going so wrong. That doesn't even look good. Oh my goodness. I shouldn't have done this. We're gonna try the second eye now. I'm gonna stop doing stuff to it and I'm gonna work on it. I don't know. We're gonna set it. We gotta set it or it's gonna crease. We're gonna set it. We need a brush. What kind of brush? This brush? We're gonna take this brush. We're gonna take the Anastasia brush. Oh my gosh, Anastasia palette. Anastasia brush. We're gonna take this side. We're gonna take base. And we're gonna set it real fast before it creases. And maybe clean up that line, if that will work. This is so stressful. This brush is like an angled small brush. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of that brown color and try and fix this line and like blend it up because we don't want to blend it down because that's the whole reason we just put the concealer on there. Teeny tiny bit, tap it off on my hand even. I'm stressed. Okay, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it, and then we're gonna make it harsher with whatever shimmer shade I put on my lid. Okay, I gotta decide what color to put on my eyelid. Celestial is a very pretty purple. Summer's pretty. I kind of want to go with like a lighter color to keep this like effect, but I also don't. I don't know what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me which color to pick. What color do I do? Oh my goodness, I held it up too high. What color? Pick a color. What about that pink color? That's kind of speaking to me, you know? It was like calling my name. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mom told me to pick the very best one, and you are it. We're going with summer. Whew. That was nerve-wracking because I didn't want it to be drama, because that would not look good. There. Would you like to say hi? In the camera. Oh.
Hello. I was like, why are my eyes not looking?
So the one thing a cut crease needs is eyeliner, and I can't do eyeliner, but I just asked Maggie to bring me my eyeliner. So since we did the cut crease, we're gonna do the eyeliner too, and I'm very scared. Maggie, I need your moral support.
You can do it.
You. Okay, we have one wing on. I'm going to try and make them even now. This is a very stressful process, but it looks really good. So, you know, send your prayers. Alright, they're not exactly even, but they will do. I think we've completed this. We did the cut crease and eyeliner. I'm very proud of myself. Hope you're proud of me too. So before I do mascara, I'm going to put eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I think we'll do Love and we'll do the pink and the brown. I'll like smoke out the pink a little bit. And then we'll put brown really close to the lash line. Actually, I want to keep it light, so we'll blend that. And we won't put the brown down there. Alright. Put some mascara on. Okay, finished mascara. I realized I don't have any lipsticks down here, so I'm gonna go upstairs and get those. So for lips, it's an endless option. Maggie, what should I do for lips?
Red. A bold red.
Don't really think that would go. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the Maybelline Purely Nude lipstick, and if this is too light, then I'll do the NYX one. I think it might be too light. Ew, yeah, it's way too light. Alright, no. So we're not doing that one. Not for this look. We're gonna go in with the NYX matte lipstick in Sable. It's a very brown color. And then I'm gonna take the Dominique Cosmetics lipstick and lip gloss, and I think this is peach tea. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the top because I need it to be warmer. Can you see what I did? Are you proud of me? We stuck in this together. We got this accomplished. I encourage anybody to try this, even though it sucked. Oh, we have to do highlighter. Alright, Maggie, you pick the highlighter. Should we do Fire? Look. Fire. fire or on the cusp?
Fire.
Okay. She's spoken. We're doing fire, which is my favorite, so thank you. And that's it. We're ready. We're ready for the day. We're ready for nothing. We're ready for our day full of nothing. This is the look. Pretty fancy, if I do say so myself. So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I'll say that in this video. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next new video. I'm hoping to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I don't know. I want to post 3 times a week if I can think of enough content. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye, everyone.